Hello and welcome to Frankfurt. I'm Elliot, digital and technical content specialist for 3Dnatives. Today, we're joining you live from Formnext, the biggest yearly roundup and meetup for additive manufacturing industry. We want to show you a few innovations we saw live from the show floor. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. For our first innovation of today's video live from Frankfurt's Formnext, we're looking at Foundry Labs. They do die cast of non-ferrous metals with ceramic binder jetting. So you go from a ceramic 3D printed part in a binder jetter machine and go into a microwave. In under 8 hours, you're able to die cast aluminum and other non-ferrous metals. With this type of machines, you're able to go from a CAD part to an end-use metal non-ferrous part in under a day. The molds, which are printed in ceramic with a binder jetter machine, are capable of being used up to 20 times for die cast parts, which are very useful especially in automotive and aeronautics industries. Our second innovation today comes from 3D Lab. With their range of Additive Lab machines, they're able to create TMLS-ready 3D printed powder. Once you were able to do this TMLS powder with wired or rod feedstock, you're now able to do the same with a brand new machine with irregular feedstock, meaning you're able to recycle your old metal failed 3D prints into brand new DMLS-ready 3D printed powder. Our third innovation is from Plasmics, and it's a hot end. Actually, it's the first induction heated hot end. It's called the Untitled Chapter. This hot end is capable of reaching temperatures of up to 500 degrees, but can reach 250 degrees in just barely 4 seconds. Capable of also cooling down in under 10 seconds. With such feat, you're able of printing materials like TPU very short, making them look as if it were two different materials. Do I know what this is nice? Available as an air-cooled hot end kit, it can be equipped onto any FDM 3D printer, or it comes on the Delta S as a water-cooled hot end. Our fourth innovation is yet another print head, and it's material jetting. From Additive Scientific, the JetForge kit is equipped on the SUSE Microtech Pixtro LP50 and is available as a separate kit to be fitted onto any FDM frame to be able to do material jetting at home. It's capable of printing up to 4 different materials at once, meaning you can make PCBs and many other applications. Last but not least, for our quick ranking of 5 innovations live from Formnext in Frankfurt, we're here at Liqtra's booth to have a look at the FX7 Pro and especially the FX7 printhead. It is a real trend this year at Formnext, and this one is able to do 7 material parallel extrusion at once in a single nozzle. But why do that? Well, here the idea is to achieve great printing speed whilst ensuring good reliability and accurate printed parts. You're able to combine up to 7 materials to have really innovative capabilities and material properties. Being capable of using recycled material in the inside of the print, whilst using virgin material for the outside is also capital to achieve good printing results. It's a really innovative solution featured here on the FX7 Pro by Liqtra. Talking about innovations here live from Formnext Frankfurt, Germany, we had to feature the Wilson Airless prototype basketball as an added bonus. Just like Dimension, EOS and General Lattice, a lot of companies try to shoot their shot here in Frankfurt.